You know, it's silly. Like, this is history, isn't it?
I know what you're saying.
So it's good to document it. Thanks for joining again, everyone. We're in the Colne Valley today. Pretty sure the viaduct needs no introduction. You see it's changed a little bit now. It's got the sound barriers on it since we last here. This video has been filmed with permission, so we do have to take care of incoming aircraft. You see the sound barriers are now almost fully installed on one side. The viaduct disappears off into the distance there. As you can see the viaduct there, we're going to sweep out nice and wide as far as we can to get some footage from this end. This is the end that's been complete for a while, so it's in lots of videos, so there's really no need to concentrate on this side for too long. You can see the different styles of the supports there. We're given permission to fly up at 60 today, so we can get a lot more in than we did last time. You can see it disappearing off over the water. There's different styles of supports, and different distances as well. That's up at 47 metres there. And we can see the viaduct, which will be, I believe, the longest railway bridge in the UK. A lot less activity on a Sunday. Soundboards haven't gone up along here yet. Viaduct disappears into the distance there. Gives us a nice clear look along it. We're not going to spend too long on these parts, as we know they are. We documented them quite well the last time. That's the viaduct disappearing into the distance there. We're going to move along. We can see Dominique at the end there, so we're going to go find her, get some video of that. So at the other end of the viaduct now, you can see here that Dominique is now approaching the end of the journey. Really close to the end point here. The gap, which last time we were here, she was right over the lakes in the background. You can see the viaduct curling around there into the distance. So she's completed all of these. We're on this final home straight now. Told the plan is for it to be finished by September, and then dismantling of Dominique will commence here, which will explain why there's this huge area next to her, which is probably going to be dismantled, I guess, on this concrete here that we can see in the base of the picture. That's the end of the viaduct there. So it snakes round. Across the lakes where we just were. And comes down to this final position. HS2 is going to cross this road. I believe, well, I'm guessing it'll be dismantled here. It seems the obvious point. There's a new road here with an underbridge. We're going to get the drone over there in a second to see what's going on over there. I think that's another tunnel. That's the final position for Dominique at the moment. you know, there's a lot of negativity over HS2 for what it's done to places, but this is a fantastic bit of engineering. So on the other side of the bridge that we saw earlier on, you can see the approach there as we come over the top. It starts to enter the tunnel. We can't go too high here because there is a rather high wind. You can see the site in the distance there, there's cranes operating. I don't believe they are operating today. Quite a bit of glare now onto the controller. Not going to go too far into this site. Currently have 3 security guards complaining about the use of the drone. As we get a bit of a better view, I believe this is the Copphole Tunnel. 31 metres here, out of the way. See the cranes operating in the distance. Let's spin the drone around. We've now got 4 members of HS2 security watching us. They agree that reviewing Dominique here is part of history, but they don't appreciate it. So about 40 metres we pan right. Keeping nice and wide away from all the equipment, all the works that are going on. See there the block work. Drone's just complaining about the wind now, so probably will have to call it a day soon. Panning to the right. See the blockhouse construction there. Is that an air vent for this tunnel? Use the railway here to fly along. Yeah, we're going to call it a day there. The wind is really picking up now, so we'll save this for another day, find a better place to view it from.
Flying a drone over the sites, I just want to know what's going on.
Filming.
Okay, what are you filming?
Dominique and the bridge.
Right, okay. So I'm just checking, mate. So I just wanted to know why you're filming.
That's all. For YouTube. I put it on YouTube.
Okay. Right. So just for YouTube, is that it?
Yeah, that's it. Right. Look at the big machine. That's why.
Yeah,